going on YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, guys, hit that subscribe button, because at 5,000 subscribers I'm giving one of these cars away. If you're not in the UK or you're not interested in spending a day doing one of these videos with me, I can just sell the car and bank transfer you the cash. So hit that subscribe button for the chance to get one of these cars for free. So before we jump into today's video, I just want to address a couple of comments that I got last week and the week before, basically about selling cars. Just be honest. All I write in the description for the car: taken in part exchange. The last owner had the car since 2007. They upgraded and bought another car from me. This is the history I've got. This is the MOT I've got. This is the information I've got. I've got one key. The car's HBI clear, and I print a receipt for that. So I always print that out, or if I do it on a total car check, then I put the screenshot in the advert, list any damage that's around the car, and there we go. And when they come, the car's on the drive. For example, the Seat, it would just be parked on the drive. They would arrive. I would greet them. Hey guys, how you doing? Here's the car. All the paperwork's in the glove box. The HBI report is on the seat. Feel free to open the car up, check everything that you want on the car. Don't feel like there's nothing you can't check. And when you're ready, we'll take it for a test drive. They drive the car. If they like it, they buy it. If they don't, they don't. You discuss the price. That's it. Just be honest. And if they're the buyer for the car, they're the buyer for the car. I also try and tell them, obviously, the car, this Seat, for example, if a dealership was to sell this car, it's £2,500 retail according to Auto Trader. Yeah, I'm going to be selling it for £2,000. That's a £500 discount from what you would buy from a dealer. That's a good saving. And I'm going to check the things the same that they would. I'm plugging it in the same that they would. I'm presenting the same paperwork that they would. So again, yeah, just be honest. If there's a fault, there's a fault. There's still a price for the car. And do your best to sell good cars, and people will buy from you. We've got that customer service information out of the way, guys. Let's jump into today's video. Now, this car today is not exciting in the way that it needs anything doing substantially. I bought the car because they are the best cars to sell. Now, this is the perfect example of the sort of car you want to buy if you can. It's a 1.4 VW engine, so they're known for being quite reliable. There's no common issues with that car. It's an 09 plate, which means it looks modern. It's a facelifted car. So everybody that sees the advert is going to be drawn in by the colour. It's a 5-door. It has aux, aircon, alloys. This is the sort of car that you can sell all day long without any real issues. Clean it up, polish it, make it look as nice as you possibly can, and off it goes. This car's done 78,000. It's got a new clutch fitted, so this is kind of your bread and butter. It's a nice color. It's got alloys. It's desirable. It's a 5-door, MOT to the end of November. It's got a new clutch. It's a win. So it's not going to be a struggle to do anything with this car today. It is going to be a case of making that paint as shiny and as nice as physically possible so that it stands out, and that's it. It should just fly out, to be honest. So let's jump into some before and afters and start getting this car prepped for sale and up today. So I've got the basic clean done, and by basic clean I just mean a hoover, wipe down everything and wet vacs the seat. So everything's nice, clean, once round with a hoover, wet backs the seat, get any stains out, clean the doors down. I'm not going to make it perfect now, because as soon as I jet wash this seal, always gets bits inside, so I can do a final hoover at the end. But the interior is clean enough. Again, when I jet wash all of this out, bits will go in the back. So it's just a quick first clean, getting it ready. So let's close it up and head up to the unit. We can get this thing clean. As always, I'm running behind schedule. It's gone 3 o'clock now, and I got about 2-3 hours to get this done now. So we got to pick up the pace. To the unit, the car drives as it should, spot on, straight, no warning lights. Clutch feels great. It's obviously being replaced, and it's a 1.4 VW engine, so we know that it's good. But what I will say to you guys is that if any of you are in Dorset and you want to get your car detailed, George from I Like Detailing is giving a 10% discount to anybody that wants to get their car done. So check him out on Facebook, Instagram, or send him a WhatsApp message and he will sort you out. Let's get the camera set up. Let's start washing.
Sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight, what a time to be alive. Just you and I, just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again, so we can fly again.
So as always in the UK, it is raining. Oh, we've got the car back, but obviously it's now wet. So I'm going to use some tar and glue remover to basically spray it on and wipe it down, because that will dry out any bits. And yeah, so let's get it dry so that we can start doing some polishing.
Get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. I want it one more time. I really need to make it right. Energy I overdose, 'cause I'm ready to reload. I need it one more time, but baby then again twice. But I don't know if I'm ready to let go. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna hit it one more night with you, with you. I am committed 'cause I know it's you I want. Hope I never see you go home. Oh, come along. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna have you one more night. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time.
Guys, you can see from my face, bit hot. So I've been rushing. Obviously my girlfriend starts work at 6 o'clock, 6:30, it's about 6 now. So yeah, mad rush to get done. But we're there. Guys, as I said, not a difficult car to do today, but the best sort of car because I got this done in a few hours. The gloss looks amazing. The pictures are gonna look, so that was the main focus for me on this car, was clean the interior so it's clean and tidy and get that paint looking super glossy. Puts a bit of touch-up paint on the wheels, but they really do need a wheel fur because they're battered every single corner. But I'm happy with how the car turned out. Remember to hit that subscribe button. 2,000 more subscribers and we are giving one of these cars away to you guys. As always, see you next week, and hopefully we got something a bit more fun than just a quick buff and a hoover. See you in the next one.